Okay, now we're going to name acids, bases, and salts, and they're going to be mixed up. So yes, we're still going to use this section right here to name acids, all right? But what about bases and salts? This goes back to first semester. How do I name a base or a salt? Well, let's recall that all bases end in hydroxide, okay? All bases end in hydroxide. Let's see if we can get that. There we go. That looks better. All right. So if I see that OH, right, that's my indication I have a base. So all I have to do is look up the metal ion and then add hydroxide. So what is the name of Na? So I go here. We know it's a metal plus this non-metal polyatomic ion. So Na is sodium, and then what's OH? Hydroxide. So his name is just sodium. I don't know how to spell sodium. Hydroxide. Right? Okay, let's look at number 2. Doesn't start with hydrogen, doesn't end in OH, so this is a salt. So what am I going to do? I'm going to look up the ion. So I've got K, that's my metal ion, and then I've got this NO3. So here we know K is potassium, and then we're going to have to find NO3 in the polyatomic ions. NO3 is nitrate. So what's the name of that? Potassium nitrate. Okay, then if it is an acid like number 3, how do I know that? Because it starts with hydrogen, so that's an acid. So then I'm going to use these rules, but only for acids. So I have 2 elements, no oxygen is present because S is what? S is sulfide. So what am I going to do? Sulfide is here. So it says I'm going to have hydro, right? Sulfuric acid, because I'm going to drop off the IDE from sulfide, and then it's sulfur or phosphorus. You put back that UR sound, so it's sulfuric acid. All right, so that's what you're going to do, 4 through 15. Decide is it an acid, base, or salt. If it's an acid, use these rules. If it's a base or a salt, we're just going to stick the ions together, okay? And there are like 10 of these on your test where they're all mixed up. Let me know if you have any questions.